Now let us look into for loop. For loop is the most important and most widely used looping system in any programming language, including Ruby. So what is the syntax of for loop in Ruby? We will be writing the for any variable like a in, and now 0 double dot 100, and let us say instead of print we will be puts a, because it will automatically put the cursor in the next line, and end. That's it. So what we are doing here, we are directly first it is the value of a will become 0. So every time a value will be incrementing. A in 0 dot dot 100 means 0 to 100. A will be coming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, and we are printing it. The incrementation is automatically done in the for loop. So in the while and until loop we should have to increment the value variable, but here the for loop will do it for us. So when we press enter, all the values up to 100 are printed. And we can also, in the loops, we can also use the nested loops. So suppose I would like to a in 0 double dot 10, puts a end. So it is printing 0 to 10, but we want to print this 0 to 10 again 10 times. So this is a loop 0, 1, 2 iterating until 0 to 10, but we want to print all this again 10 times. So what we can do? So for that we will be putting 0, 1, 2, we will remove the 0, and now we will be in 1 to 10. Now puts, what we will be printing, A or B? We will be printing B. Let us see, B and end, and end. See here 1 to 10, 1 to 10, like this. Now we have printed this one 10 times. So like this we can nest any number of for loops. So in this, if you print B, let me show you. Here we are printing B. B means first A will become 1, and this 1 to 10 will be printed. Then it will go out. A will become 2. This one will get printed again 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Until 10, the 10 times it is printing. So suppose if we print A here, it will be printing only 1 to 10. Let me show you, because we are iterating it 10 times. Like, see what is the difference. Here we are printing 1 to 10. If you print the value of A, what will happen? First A will be 1, and this will be looping 10 times. So 1 will be printed 10 times. Next A will become 2. It will come inside this loop. 2 will be printed 10 times. Let me show you the result. For A, okay. For B, okay. Now we will be put as A and end. See here the difference. 1 is printed 10 times, 2 is printed 10 times, 3 is 4, 5. Every number of A is printed 10 times. So you should always have to understand the logic. There will be simple small logic inside every program. You should have to first understand it before using according to your requirement. So keep practicing. Meet you in the next video with some examples to understand these loops better.